In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove volume in TradingView. If you like a clean, uncluttered chart, removing the volume indicator is a quick win. Volume is the set of colored bars that usually sits in its own panel beneath your price chart. It's useful for confirming momentum, but if you don't need it for a particular analysis, taking it off the screen helps you focus on price action and frees up vertical space. With your chart already open, move your mouse to the area where the volume indicator lives. You'll typically see the word volume in the pane header or in the chart legend. Hover your cursor directly over that volume label or right on the volume pane header. As you hover, a small on-hover toolbar appears. It usually includes icons for settings, visibility, and the action we want today, delete. The delete button looks like a trash can. Once that mini toolbar is visible, click the delete icon. The volume pane will disappear immediately, and your price chart will expand to fill the space. That's it. The indicator has been removed from the current chart layout. You should notice the layout looks cleaner, with more room to examine candles, trend lines, or any other studies you're keeping. A couple of quick clarity notes as you do this. If you don't see the toolbar, keep the cursor steady over the volume label for a moment. It only shows while you're hovering. In some layouts, the icons are tucked right next to the indicator's name. In others, they sit on the pane's title bar. If you move the mouse away, the toolbar hides again, so simply hover once more. Also, deleting removes the volume indicator from this layout. It doesn't delete any market data or affect other charts you might have saved with different templates. If your goal is only to temporarily declutter, look for the eye or visibility icon next to the volume label. That hides the pane without removing it from the layout. Today, though, we're focusing on a full removal, which keeps your workspace minimal until you decide to bring volume back later. After you click delete, take a quick glance at the bottom of your chart to confirm the volume pane is gone and that your price panel has more breathing room. From here, you can continue your analysis with a sharper view and fewer distractions, and that's all it takes. Hover over the volume label to reveal the toolbar, then click the delete icon to remove it. Simple, fast, and perfect for a clean TradingView setup.